Good morning, everyone. This is As Mohammed Khan, and I welcome you in today's segment. In our previous segment, student, we have discussed about chlor-alkali process, and chlor-alkali process is done with the help of brine, means the aqueous solution of sodium chloride. It is done, student. And we have also discussed about the importance of sodium chloride or the brine, student. Today we will discuss about the three important salt. First is bleaching powder, second is baking soda, and third is washing soda, student. Now, what is bleaching powder? In general, student, many times you go for the barber shop or the beauty parlor. At that time, that beauty parlor or the barber go for bleaching. Na? In that bleaching also this powder is used. And what is it? It is bleaching powder and its chemical name is calcium oxychloride. And its formula is CaOCl2. CaOCl2 is the formula of bleaching powder. And this particular chemical compound is prepared with the help of lime water. When the lime water or calcium hydroxide is reacted with chlorine gas, then what we get, student? We get calcium oxychloride and water. So this calcium oxychloride is known as bleaching powder. Calcium oxychloride is known as bleaching powder. Now, where we use it? It is used in the cosmetic industries, and with the help of that cosmetic industries, it is prepared, means this powder is prepared and it is used in different creams or gels it is used. And this cream or the gel that have the bleaching powder, it is used in the beauty parlors or the barber shop. Now, another importance of this powder is, student, it is also used in the cotton or textile industries. In the cotton or textile industries, it is used to bleach the textiles or the clothes. With this, it is also used in the laundries to wash the clothes or to bleach the clothes, student. Next importance of this is it is used as an oxidizing agent. Means bleaching powder is used as oxidizing agent. Now, what are the oxidizing agents, student? Oxidizing agents are the chemical substances that are used to add the oxygen in a particular chemical reaction. And all these chemical substances are known as oxidizing agent. So, calcium oxychloride can be considered as oxidizing agent. Like ozone, O3, is also oxidizing agent. HNO3, nitric acid, it can be also considered as oxidizing agent. Like this potassium permanganate, KMnO4, it is also considered as oxidizing agent. Like this, there is one another chemical substance, potassium dichromate, K2Cr2O7. It is also considered as oxidizing agent. So like other oxidizing agents, this oxidizing agent is also used in the chemical reaction. Now I want to tell you the most important use of this. It is used as disinfectant, student. Many times unknowingly pathogens, bacteria or fungi or the virus are entered inside the water. All those bacteria or fungi are killed with the help of this particular chemical substance or salt, student, and it is calcium oxychloride. So this calcium oxychloride is used to treat the water or in the water treatment plants. In the water treatment plants, this calcium oxychloride is used. And what is its chemical formula, student? Its chemical formula is CaOCl2. CaOCl2. And what we call it? We call it calcium oxychloride. And how is it prepared? it is prepared with the help of calcium hydroxide. When the calcium hydroxide is reacted with chlorine gas, then what we get? We get calcium oxychloride. Now we come on the next important salt. It is baking soda, student. If we remove this baking soda, then we are unable to get the baking products that you like most, like the bread, cake, pastries, patties, and there are the different type of cookies are prepared with the help of this baking soda, student. And it is mainly used in the baking industries. Now, what is the chemical formula of baking soda? NaSCO3. NaSCO3 is the formula of baking soda, student. NaHCO3. Now, what is its chemical name? Its chemical name is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. And how do we get it? Student, in the industries, it is prepared with the help of one chemical reaction. And in that chemical reaction, there are the different type of reactants are used. First reactant that is used, it is NaCl, sodium chloride. With this, water is used, carbon dioxide is used, and ammonia is used, student. Ammonia, NH3. NH3 is the formula of ammonia. When these chemical substances are react with each other, then what they get, what they produce ammonium chloride and sodium hydrogen carbonate. And what we get sodium hydrogen carbonate. So it is produced with the help of one chemical reaction in which ammonia, carbon dioxide, sodium chloride, and water is used. Next is usage of baking soda, student. The first important use we have discussed, it is used in baking industries to prepare the different type of baking products. Second is, it is also used to prepare the baking powder, student. Many times when we have the acidity, at that time, what we purchase from the market, student, we purchase one powder. And the brand name of that powder is Eno. That Eno contains baking powder in it. Now, what is baking powder? Baking powder have some amount of acid in it. Some amount of acid in it. And that's why the formula of that is NaSCO3 dot H plus. Means some amount of hydrogen with baking soda is known as baking powder, student. And Eno is an example of this. And it is used in baking industries. Baking industries we have discussed. With this, it is used as an antacid. When we have the acidity, student, at that time, which acid is produced in our body, it is HCl. It is HCl. So when we take the baking soda, NaSCO3, then with the help of that acidity is neutralized, and this reaction is known as neutralization. And what is produced here, student? Here NaCl is produced, salt is produced, carbon dioxide is produced, and water is produced. And this reaction is known as neutralization because here the acidity is neutralized by the baking soda. So this baking soda is also used as antacid. Next importance of this, student, it is used in soda acid fire extinguishers. There are some cylindrical bodies, student. Those cylindrical bodies have acid bottle, and with the acid bottle there is this baking soda is found. When that particular baking soda react with the acid, then which gas is released here? It is carbon dioxide. And due to that carbon dioxide, the burning is stopped or the burning is put out. So it is also used, means the baking soda is also used in fire extinguishers. Now we come on the next. Next important soda is student washing soda. So with the help of this word you can know which soda is used in washing. It is washing soda. And what is the formula of washing soda, student? It is sodium carbonate decahydrate. So formula is Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. Na2CO3 dot 10H2O is the formula of washing soda. And what is its chemical name? Sodium carbonate decahydrate. Why do we use it deca here, student? Because here 10H2O is found. 10 is found. 10 is, so for 10 is here deca. Now we come on the preparation. How is it prepared? It is prepared with the help of baking soda, student. When the baking soda is heated, then that baking soda is converted into sodium carbonate. Now when that sodium carbonate is reacted with 10 atoms of 10 molecules of water, then what we get? We get sodium carbonate decahydrate. So sodium carbonate decahydrate is prepared with the help of baking soda. First, the baking soda is heated. With the help of that, what is produced? Sodium carbonate is produced, and after that, that sodium carbonate is reacted with water. Now we come on the next. It is the uses of washing soda. So it is used for washing the clothes or the utensils. That's why we can say it is used as cleaning agent. It is used as cleaning agent for the domestic utensils are cleaned with the help of this. And it is also used in soap industries to prepare the soap. With this, it is used to remove the hardness of water. It is the most important use of washing soda, student. It is used to remove the hardness of water. Yes, student, there are the two type of water is found. Hard water and soft water. Hard water have some impurities of ions. It may be magnesium ion, it may be calcium ions. If the water has some impurities of ion, calcium ion or magnesium ion, then that water is considered as hard water. So that hardness can be removed by using washing soda. If we add the washing soda in that water, then with the help of that, we can remove the hardness of water. How, student? Because in this, the displacement reaction takes place, in which the calcium ion or the magnesium ion displaces the sodium ion, are displaced. And due to that, the hardness of water is removed. So it is the most important use of washing soda. This washing soda is used to remove the permanent hardness of water. So it is about the salt, student. Now you will try to write these important salts in your notebook and try to learn them. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.